can't help it.
And kay mama naman, sobrang sobrang nakakalungkot lang na wala siya ngayon to witness this very special occasion. Pero I know na masaya siya para sa akin.
I love you, oh I do. I'm who I am because of you, and I need to tell you now. This moment may be all we have, all we have, all we have.
Yel, welcome to Married Life, and please make it sure na yung pasensya